Night. My name is Jason Ricardo Tech. Hub as assistant developer in a company distribution. I have a 9 years old son named Gabriel. I live in the city Ibagué, Tolima. Restaurant SM. Debra. Good afternoon. A table for one, please. Hub. Certainly, madam. Please follow me. Waiter. Can I take your order, madam? Debra. I have the grilled steak and a side order of free. Waiter. Okay, steak and free. What would you like to drink? Debra. Can I see the drink menu? Waiter. Of course. Here you are. Debra. I have a glass of wine. Waiter. Would you like some coffee or dessert? Debra. A cup of coffee will by need, thank you. Debra. Could I have the bill, please? Waiter. Certainly, madam. Here you are. Debra. Can I pay by credit card? Waiter. I am afraid you can only crash. Debra. Okay. Here you are $15. Keep the cash. Waiter. Thank you, madam. Have a good day.